Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the PEPE token on your Trust Wallet application step by step. Our first step being that you open up your Trust Wallets. The PEPE token is built on the Ethereum blockchain, so we take note of that, meaning we're going to need some pure Ethereum. That's the Ethereum coin itself. If you simply minimize and head over to your browser, whatever browser you might be using, be it Safari, be it the Google Chrome, the link for this token is going to be in the description of the video. So what we're here for is simply the contract address of the PEPE token or the PEPE coin. It's built off the Ethereum blockchain. It's a meme coin. Right now, and it's really trending. I think it's among the top 5 tokens that are trending for today. So you simply minimize and head back to the wallet you're using. Head over to the browser section where you can simply search for pancakeswap.exchange, or you simply scroll down to the DeFi section and click on PancakeSwap. And once you've clicked on pancakeswap.finance, you're simply going to be setting your network to the Ethereum network. As you can see here, where it says Ethereum, you simply click on that and select Ethereum. Make sure your wallet is connected by clicking on the wallet icon. And then we're going to be swapping from our Ethereum to the PEPE token. So you could either search for the PEPE token or you paste the contract address we just copied. Simply click on PEPE. And now it shows here. And we're looking to get 0.001. That's $1.99 worth of the PEPE token, which is then equivalent to 605,000 of it, where you simply click on swap. The slippage tolerance is 0.50%. Let's see if that goes. Okay, it says confirm swap. So we give it some time to bring up the contract call. For about $79 worth of network fees. So you could simply top up your Ethereum directly from your balance or transfer some Ethereum to your wallet and then proceed to buy the token. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the PEPE coin on your Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.